The Denial of Service or DDoS tab provides two primary functions: front-end DDoS statistics and mitigation, and back-end denial of service mitigations. In the top half of the page are DDoS statistics. Here you can see detailed information about attacks toward your packs. The drop-down menus allow you to choose the time range and specific pack if desired. If attack data is available, it will be displayed in the charts below. Further down the page is a data table. This provides detailed information about each attack type by date and time, along with the pack name, the attack signatures, and size of the attack. You can page through these results or export them as needed. The next table shows the settings for the front-end DDoS mitigation policies. These are the preset thresholds that must be met before attack data will be gathered and displayed on the charts and graphs above. This does not mean we do not detect or block attacks lower than these thresholds. In fact, we do, but because small attacks are so frequent, we do not retain the attack data simply due to the sheer volume. Attacks exceeding these thresholds are generally seen as threatening and are therefore logged. Lastly, at the bottom of this page are the back-end DDoS mitigation settings. These are specifically for HTTP-based denial of service mitigation. Here you can configure thresholds manually to then apply to the ports on your back-end servers. For servers that serve dynamic content where an excessive number of hits from the same IP could be detrimental, this allows you to specify protection levels where a hidden JavaScript challenge will be sent to the user. This is easy for browsers to resolve, but bots cannot and are therefore blocked. As a result, this may not be appropriate for API protection, so keep that in mind. To create a new entry, simply click Add from the toolbar. Give it a name and then provide a queue depth and challenge percentage. The queue depth is the number of connections per second that your device can handle without any need for intervention. Take this number and drop it by a percentage to provide a buffer. For example, if your device can handle 1,000 connections per second, we suggest entering 800 here. Then, the challenge percentage is the number of connections above this threshold that should be challenged. Typically, you would want to challenge 100% of them, so you would enter 100 here, but you could pull that back a little bit if you want to allow a few connections through without being challenged. Once you have created a back-end DDoS mitigation policy, you need to go to your devices in the configuration builder, click Edit on the one you wish to apply this to, then go to the Ports and Protocols tab and apply it there. Note that because this is an HTTP DDoS mitigation policy, it will only work on HTTP or SSL protocols. That's it for this section. Do consult our online manual for further detail.